Whenever I pick up Times of India in the morning, I miss R.K. लक्ष्मण. जैसे मैं फ्रंट पेज देखता हूँ तो उनकी कमी मुझे खल जाती है. R.K. लक्ष्मण गजब के कार्टूनिस्ट तो थे ही, और उसके साथ साथ ही वॉज अ ग्रेट पर्सनैलिटी. एक दफ़ा मुझे इत्तेफाक हुआ उनके साथ एक दिन भर बिताने का, which ended with R.K. Lakshman making this cartoon of me. Permit me to tell you this interesting story. Actually, he came to Vidisha for some official work. He was touring MP to write a book on MP as a state guest. He was not meeting any official or any person because he said it's his private visit with his wife. Naturally, I was very keen to meet him because I had been his fan, copying his Times of India cartoons. तो मुझसे रहा नहीं गया. This is 1982 की बात है. I was 32 year old. I was involved deeply in business, not in art. तो मैं सर्किट हाउस पहुंच गया जहाँ वो ठहरे हुए थे. जैसे ही वो कार में बैठने के लिए निकले सुबह सुबह, because he was on a tour, I caught him. He was taken unawares and I told him that what a great fan I am of his and I've been copying him, and I reminded him of William Jones and L.K. Shrimali and some more personalities of those times that he was sketching, recent sketches in Illustrated Weekly. So he suddenly got interested. He said, okay, do you have those sketches? I said, yes, at my home. So he said, okay, we'll drop by for 5 minutes and then we'll be off. So he and his wife came to our house in Vidisha, where I had an industry at that time. And he saw those sketches, and then one thing led to other. He had his morning breakfast there, then he had his lunch, and then evening tea. So he spent the whole day. He came for 5 minutes saying he doesn't have time. And he and his wife, they became friends with my wife and they appreciated her cooking. So बाद में when he was leaving, he very nonchalantly asked me, are you not forgetting something? I said, I don't think so. He said, you have not taken my autograph. What a great personality. He was a cartoonist. So I immediately brought a pad, whatever came to my hand, and then he drew my sketch and signed it. So that was the influence of Times of India on me. And of course, we remained friends till his last days. He came to open one of my exhibitions in Bombay, sculpture exhibition. At that time, I presented him a bronze statue about 10 inches tall of common man holding his ears. He asked me, why holding ears? So I said, because he sees everything, but he doesn't speak. So that is his punishment. He kept it on his work table at Times of India building. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.